Is your plant outgrowing its pot? Here's a quick guide on how to repot it. First, choose a pot that's 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. This gives the roots more room to grow. Gently remove the plant from its old pot, loosening the roots if they're tightly bound. If the roots are circling the pot, gently tease them apart to encourage outward growth. Place the plant in the new pot and fill it with fresh potting soil, making sure the plant is at the same depth as before. Lightly press the soil down to eliminate air pockets. Water it thoroughly to help it settle into its new home, and add more soil if needed. Repotting can be stressful for plants, so keep it in a shaded area for a few days to help it adjust. Regularly check for signs of stress, like yellowing leaves or wilting, and adjust care as needed. Repotting your plants helps them grow stronger and healthier. For more plant care tutorials, follow GardenWrld and visit our website